To add a new goal, simply click the plus sign at the top left of the screen. Then choose goals you want to work on. After that, click Continue. You will now see all the goals you have selected. Click on a goal to start telling Olivia more about it. And estimate the amount you will need. Add a photo from the app gallery or from your own camera. Then the goal is saved to your home screen. The summary screen shows how much you need to save monthly. Olivia will also indicate how affordable your goal is based on your life stage and income. You can now see how affordable those multiple goals are. This allows you to prioritize and adjust timing of your goals to make it more affordable and achievable. Anne is traveling to Paris with 5 other friends in 8 months. She simply invites friends to this travel goal, and the group can see how each one is progressing. Your risk profile determines what types of investments may be suitable for you.